I'm done. Huh? Gotta read my text. I'm fine. Alright.
I don't even feel like girl.
Damn, Jeannie, why? She was like that. Me too. Oh, you gotta read. Why you trying to go with me? You gotta read.
Shut up. Gotta be your own voice.
She said, oh. Oh my god. This is embarrassing. And you know the Medford people are looking at us.
What's that?
Anyways. Sorry, none of those ladies are single.
You gotta look for the picture.
Is this a girl or a boy?
A girl.
It's a girl.
Come on, man. You guys gotta help.
Alright, let's go.
It's a girl.
Who did that?
I was on one, man.
What happened?
That was Nico. Hold up.
Wait, I'm sitting here minding my own business.
Oh, it's in there, you fool.
Who did that?
Wow. I swear you can say it.
She is she.
Oh.
He's in there.
Oh, you seen that?
Yeah.
I'm lost. What happened?
Hey, V.
And cause of you.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Sticks, oh, you hear me sing? It's so good.
Hear my humble prayer.
Oh no.
Oh, do it again?
Yeah.
What is that another song?
Just keep that.
You're
So
the
much-
one who said church song.
I know.
It's
So
a
much
church
for
song.
going to the movies.
Where's Jordan and his girl?
Probably in the hall, probably. I never.
Being cakes?
They're hiding. They're hiding. Away from the
They're in the
whole
bathroom.
bathroom.
They're in the bathroom with the door locked.
No, really
And
good
what's
work.
that Linky doing? Looking at them?
Nia said that she's knocked out. Like she's just sleeping inside the. She's knocked out. KO.
Listening to my
Like
iPod?
Where?
in the hall. She's knocked. Like
Nobody's,
KO.
nobody
She
told her.
tapped out.
You guys
For real.
don't like
Nobody told her.
want to
to
bring her over here and bond?
Well,
You guys see her like this the whole time.
I just got here.
You know, cause
Is it still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and well,
Watching you guys eat like some.
I wonder who has a whole bag of cookies. Maybe we should face the camera over there.
Give me some. Who the hell took it?
Oh.
Yeah, face it to who took the damn cookies.
Oh,
Okay.
beauty.
Oh, okay.
Who
Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar?
did.
Not
Beauty
me.
stole the cookies